We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother L2320 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the toner. So it's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is going to make sure your printer is turned on and that it's ready to use. So your ready light should be on. And then once it's on and ready to use, we're going to lower this front cover here. There's a little finger notch on either side of this front cover here. You're just going to put your fingers in and pull this top little cover down. Now we need to remove the drum and toner. They're going to come out together. So you're going to grab this handle that's right here in the middle, and you're going to pull up just a little and pull out. There we go. So now we've successfully removed our toner and our drum. Now we need to separate our toner from our drum. To do that, you push down on this little green tab here, and then you'll lift and rotate the toner up and out of the drum. So now we've separated the drum from the toner. Once you have your new toner all unpacked and ready to use, you're going to take it and install it back into your drum. So you're going to slide the front half in and rotate down until it clicks down into place. And then anytime you replace your toner and you install it into your drum, it's always a good idea to use this little green tab that's at the top of the drum and just slide it all the way across the top 2 or 3 times. Very important to make sure that whenever you're done, you put this all the way back where you got it from. You'll know where that's at. There'll be 2 little arrows pointing at each other. But if you don't put that all the way back, if you leave that anywhere else, it's going to leave a print defect. So you'll notice lines down your page. So very important that you make sure that that goes all the way back where it started from. And again, there'll be 2 little arrows pointing at each other to remind you where that is. So once all that's done, now we can reinstall it into the printer. And you're just going to take it, slide it back into the printer, and then firmly press it in until it clicks down into place. Then you can go ahead and close this cover and give the printer a second or 2 to initialize. And once it does, then I'll go ahead and the toner itself will tell the printer there's a new toner in there, and that should get rid of your toner warning, and you should be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help you out with those. Also, if there's any way we can help supply you with any of your printer or office supply needs, please let us know. We'd love to help provide this for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.